Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I am so sorry if my voice is off. I am still fighting a cold. Today I am bringing you some cleaning motivation. This is nothing crazy. This is just me cleaning my kitchen and then also some laundry folding motivation. I have a ton of laundry to fold, so I included it at the end of this video. I know not everybody is super into like watching me fold laundry, so that's why I included it at the end of the video so you can just click off whenever you're ready. I also wanted to let you guys know that if you haven't watched my last video, which was a live stream, I talk a lot about what's been going on in my life for the past 3 months. I know that I don't need to justify anything, but my house is really, really bad, and I really need to clean it. And I'm hoping to bring you guys like a longer cleaning video later in the week. But my last video just kind of gives you guys some insight as to what's been going on in our lives. So check it out if you're interested. Also, this video is part of my 12 days of Christmas, where I am uploading a video every day for the first 12 days of December. So I'll have the playlist linked down below, and at the end of this video, you can be sure to catch up on all the other videos that I've done, and make sure to come back tomorrow for more. So with all that being said, I'm gonna let some music play, and I'll pop back in a little bit.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I don't wanna shake you. My friends are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause I know baby it's working. It's working. Never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking you off. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I'm never shaking. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you off. I don't wanna shake you. You just have to try harder than you fight. You might be lost like sunshine in the night. You know what they say, life's about to hate. If you wanna be someone, you don't have to wait. You just have to change. What if I were you? Would it be easier for me to be heard and to be seen? What am I supposed to do? Is it all now up to you? I am not that strong. I don't even know where I belong.
Alright guys, so that actually wraps up the video. Like I said, for the remainder of the video, I am just going to be folding some laundry. Like I said, I know not everybody is super interested in watching me fold laundry. I know it can be repetitive, but for those that do want to stick around, I love you. I hope you guys fold as much laundry as I do. I had so much to fold. Oh my goodness. I feel like that's the first thing to go like, when I get behind on cleaning is I'm super good about like washing and drying the laundry, but like folding just doesn't happen. It just piles up and here we are. So with all that being said, I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm definitely going to upload a little bit of a longer cleaning video within the next week. I really want to do like a whole house clean with me. So definitely stay tuned. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So I know that you like it. I will let music play till the end of this video, but with all that being said, I love you and I will see you next time.
Pretty girl writing love songs, but they're never for you. Love you less when you come home, never know what to do. Maybe she's a girl who never found the words to tell you what's been going on. And right behind the lies, those memories start to blind, so she never asked the sky for God. Or maybe she's not right, she's trapped inside a mind where everybody's always wrong. But you think when she breathes and she's more perfect than Eden, more perfect than Eden. You would say there ain't nothing that she wouldn't do. So you just hold it till it's over. Need the way she needs you. Maybe she's a girl who never found the words to tell you what's been going on. And right behind those eyes, those memories start to blind, so she never asked the sky for God. And maybe she's not right, she's trapped inside a mind where everything is always wrong. But you think when she breathes and she's more perfect than Eden, more perfect than Eden.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop it, show me how.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop it, show me how.
Tell